everyone, this is Emma. Today we are going to cook pork menudo. But before that, please do subscribe in my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for video updates. And please don't forget to like and share this video. For suggestions, comments, and questions, leave it to the comment box below. I will surely love to hear from you. So, let us start. So, ayan, titikman na natin yung ating pork menudo. Actually, guys, may mga sinasabi ako dyan, pero hindi nyo kasi maririnig at saka baka makopyright tayo. Lakas kasi maka-video okay ng kapitbahay ko, kaya ganun. So, titikman na natin. Yan, masarap talaga yan, promise. Sinasabi ko na nga ba eh. Masarap talaga ako magluto. Charot! Ayan, so, thank you for watching, and I hope you will try my recipe of menudo. So, mag-i-enjoy muna ako sa aking menudo ha. Lame kayo. Perting lami ah. Thank you. Bye-bye.